Italy is a country located in southern Europe, known for its rich history, diverse culture, beautiful cities, stunning coastlines, and delicious cuisine. It is home to around 60 million people and has a land area of about 301,338 square kilometers. The capital city of Italy is Rome, which is also one of the country's largest cities. Rome is known for its historical landmarks, including the Colosseum, the Pantheon, and the Vatican City, which is home to the Catholic Church and the Pope. Other major cities in Italy include Milan, Naples, Florence, Venice, and Turin. Milan is known for being a fashion capital and a hub for business and finance, while Naples is known for its delicious pizza and beautiful coastline. Italy is also known for its art and architecture, which can be seen in its many museums and galleries, including the Uffizi Gallery in Florence and the Vatican Museums in Rome. Agriculture also plays a significant role in the country's economy, with Italy being the largest producer of wine in the world. The history of Italy dates back to ancient times, when various tribes and civilizations inhabited the region. The Etruscans were one of the earliest civilizations in Italy, followed by the Romans, who established a powerful empire that lasted for centuries. After the fall of the Roman Empire, Italy was invaded by various barbarian tribes, and the region was divided into smaller city-states, which were often at war with one another. This period of history, known as the Middle Ages, saw the rise of powerful families, such as the Medici in Florence, who played important roles in shaping Italy's political and cultural landscape. Italy later was ruled by the fascist dictator Benito Mussolini. Since then, Italy has continued to play an important role in European and global politics, and has undergone significant economic and social changes, particularly in recent decades. Today, Italy is a major economic power, with a rich cultural heritage and a significant role in shaping the modern world. Here are some of the top places to visit in Italy. Rome. The capital city of Italy is home to ancient ruins, beautiful art, and stunning architecture, including the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, the Pantheon, and the Vatican City. Florence. This beautiful city is known for its art and architecture, with attractions such as the Uffizi Gallery, the Duomo, and the Ponte Vecchio. Venice. A city built on water, Venice is known for its canals, beautiful architecture, and romantic atmosphere. Some of its main attractions include St. Mark's Basilica, the Doge's Palace, and the Rialto Bridge. Amalfi Coast. This stunning coastline is known for its picturesque villages, clear blue waters, and beautiful beaches, including Positano and Amalfi. Tuscany. This beautiful region is known for its rolling hills, vineyards, and charming towns such as Siena, Pisa, and Lucca. Milan. A fashion capital and a hub for business and finance, Milan is also known for its beautiful architecture, including the iconic Milan Cathedral. Sicily. The largest island in the Mediterranean, Sicily is known for its stunning coastline, beautiful landscapes, and ancient ruins, including the Valley of the Temples. Pompeii. A city buried by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in AD 79, Pompeii is now an archaeological site and a fascinating glimpse into ancient Roman life. Italy has a varied climate, with different regions experiencing different weather patterns depending on their location and altitude. Generally, the climate is Mediterranean, with mild winters and hot summers. However, there are also areas in the north and in the mountains that experience cold winters and even snowfall. In the central regions of Italy, such as Rome and Florence, the weather is typically mild and temperate, with hot summers and mild winters. During the summer months, temperatures can reach 35 degrees Celsius or higher, while winter temperatures rarely fall below freezing. During the summer months, temperatures can reach 40 degrees Celsius or higher, while winter temperatures rarely fall below 10 degrees Celsius. Overall, Italy is a beautiful country with a pleasant climate that varies depending on the region. The best time to visit depends on your preferences, but generally, the months of April to June and September to October are considered the best times to visit, with pleasant temperatures and fewer crowds. Here are some of the top things to do in Italy. Visit historical sites. Italy is home to numerous historical sites, including the Colosseum in Rome, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, the ruins of Pompeii, and the ancient city of Paestum. Enjoy art and architecture. Italy is renowned for its art and architecture. including Michelangelo's David in Florence, the Sistine Chapel in Rome, and the Basilica de San Marco in Venice. Explore charming towns and cities. Italy is home to many charming towns and cities, such as the colorful Cinque Terre, the hilltop town of San Gimignano, and the romantic city of Verona. Taste delicious Italian cuisine. Italian food is known worldwide for its pasta, pizza, gelato, and wine. Try local specialties such as risotto alla Milanese, spaghetti alla carbonara, and tiramisu. Relax on the beaches. Italy is home to some of Europe's most beautiful beaches, including the Amalfi Coast, the island of Capri, and the beaches of Sardinia. Go hiking or skiing. Italy's mountainous regions offer great opportunities for hiking and skiing, with popular destinations such as the Dolomites, the Alps, and Mount Etna. Attend cultural events. Italy hosts many cultural events throughout the year, including the Venice Biennale, the Siena Palio, and the Carnival of Venice. Take a wine tour. Italy is home to some of the world's best wine regions, such as Tuscany, Piedmont, and the Veneto. Take a tour of local wineries and vineyards to taste and learn about Italian wines. The cost of a day in Italy depends on the region, travel style and activities, but a mid-range budget traveler can expect to spend €80 to €120 per day for accommodation, food, transportation, and activities. A mid-range hotel can cost €80 to €120 per night, while a hostel dorm bed can cost €20 to €40 per night. Food and drink costs are around €2 to €4 for breakfast, €15 to €25 for lunch or dinner, and €8 to €12 for wine. Transportation costs vary, but a day pass for public transport can cost around €5 to €10. Activities like museums and historical sites cost around €10 to €15 per person, while outdoor activities are often free or low cost. Look for accommodations on booking websites such as Booking.com, Expedia, or Airbnb to compare prices and amenities. Consider staying in a locally owned bed and breakfast or boutique hotel for a more authentic Italian experience. Check for reviews and ratings from previous guests to ensure the quality and cleanliness of the accommodations. Italy is generally a safe country for travelers, but like any other place in the world, there are some safety concerns that travelers should be aware of. Petty theft, such as pickpocketing and bag snatching, is common in tourist areas and on public transportation, especially in major cities like Rome, Naples, and Florence. It is advisable to keep an eye on your belongings and be cautious in crowded places. Thanks you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel.